Yeah, they have to throw everything at it now. The long throws, get as many players into the box. 10 minutes of time added on. Obviously, a combination of the goal, the substitutions, a couple of injuries, and also that B invasion that we had, which took the sting out of the game.
Again, not taking the sting out of the game. Oh, that was a little header. Desperate. Gone for a corner. All these invasion weather. It has caused some distraction. We have to wait and watch till the end. 10 minutes added. Not unusual because of the new FIFA stipulations. Every second has been counted. Substitution, the time wasting, the injury issues. Against the breeze. Where would he place it? Joseph Bemba. Suddenly a strong burst of speed coming from the other part of the ground, and again a player goes down.
Joseph trying to get the referee's attention. He was backing in. He stepped onto Robinson's feet. Obviously, he's retaliated, and now trying the easy way to sort of try and get themselves back on the score sheet, try and win a side a penalty.